Hey everyone, Danny from Precision Camera here. Today we're looking at Fujifilm's latest entry-level stills camera. In my hands I have a pre-production model of the X-T30 III paired with its new kit lens, the XC13-33mm. Compact, classic, and intuitive, at just 11.6 ounces, this new X-T30 packs a punch. You'll get analog-inspired dials and controls, an electric viewfinder, a pop-up flash, and the new auto mode that can do it all. It wouldn't be Fujifilm without the film simulation. Here has a dial to quickly select from your favorites. Pick from your favorite Fujifilm classic looks like Velvia or Provia, or fine-tune your own recipe. The new film simulation dial gives you instant access to 3 customizable presets. The new auto mode comes with AI-based subject detection that recognizes people, animals, birds, cars, etc. You also get improved autofocus, as well as better face/eye detection. Being in auto mode will make sure you never miss a moment. The new XC13-33mm kit lens comes with up to 4 stops of image stabilization. This lens travels really light, and you'll also be able to get up close to your subjects. With a close focusing distance of 20 centimeters, or a little over 7.5 inches across the entire zoom range, you'll be able to fill the frame with your subject. With the 20mm equivalency on the full-frame camera, you'll capture the moment and also the world around you. Using this camera, you'll see a major jump in quality over using your phone without overwhelming you with complexity. Over 40 X-mount lenses are compatible with the X-T30, so your creative possibilities will be endless. This camera will provide you with an ecosystem to grow your photography skills. The Fujifilm X-T30 is an amazing camera that can turn everyday moments into extraordinary images with just the press of a button. From here in Austin, Texas, and Precision Camera, thanks for watching, and don't be afraid to get this to delve into the world of photography.